People who work in the healthcare field are familiar with this problem of not knowing what's clean and what's not. And they've developed Standard Precautions, a group of infection prevention practices that are used for all patient care. They're based on a risk assessment of what areas and items are likely to be infected, kind of like the critical control touch points we discussed in the previous slide. And they make use of common sense practices and personal protective equipment that protect healthcare providers from infection and prevent the spread of infection from patient to patient. The cornerstone of Standard Precautions, again, is proper hand hygiene. Like healthcare workers, professional house cleaners should use PPEs whenever there is the possibility of exposure to infectious materials like blood, body fluids, secretions, and excretions. It also includes the safe handling of cleaning equipment or tools that are likely to have been contaminated while cleaning. All of these precautions are designed to stop transmission of infection. Professional house cleaners should take a lesson from healthcare Standard Precautions, just like discussed in the safety class. Wash your hands frequently and correctly, and carry alcohol-based hand sanitizers for use when needed. Wear proper personal protective equipment, such as gloves, goggles or glasses, masks, and shoe covers. Put on, take off your PPEs correctly to protect yourself from infection and prevent cross-contamination. Clean and sanitize your vacuum and all equipment between homes. Keep dirty towels and mop heads in a plastic bag away from the clean equipment and supplies, and properly launder later. And wear gloves when loading washing machines and when transferring the laundry to the dryer.